So for this video, guys, we're going to be looking at Z under out of the gun Y off trips week in order to show you a nice cover 2 beater that I like to go to. And really what we're doing is trying to take advantage of this RB's route. It's kind of a really nice rounded off route. And we want to run this to the wide side of the field, so left hash mark if you're running it stock. And what I'm going to do is just show you how it is normally. All you're going to do is put the B on and out, the A on and fade. And what you're going to see is that B does a really good job of bringing down that player momentarily. That cornerback will jump the B, but then he will rally back up. So this isn't one that you want to throw to the sidelines. You want to throw it to him basically on RB's break. So let me show you what I mean. This guy's going to go over there, and he's going to be this little hole right here that you're going to be able to throw to and get some really good yards. Now, typically speaking, it's a 50-50 chance if a user covers that, depending on which guy that they're using. So if this guy is the user right here, most likely he's going to jump that route. So that way we're going to have this route with this X coming across. If that's the case, a lot of times what's going to end up happening is going to look like this, right? So somebody's in a deep blue, somebody's going to jump that route. And a lot of times when they're on that player, they will jump that route just because they're on the side of which he is. So we'll watch this here. You go ahead, you're looking at this. Does the guy jump the route? Say he does. Now what you're doing is you're waiting for this X to come across, and you got some really good yards because they really can't cover the right side, and also wait for that deep into, basically develop and get that player. So that's why I really like this play, because you kind of have a 1-2 punch. If they're doing something to where it's the opposite and they're doing it where this X is going over to cover that guy, it's going to be the same exact result. And that's basically what you're going to see out of cover 2 is one of the players is going deep, one of the players is usering. If you see in this instance, a lot of times if they don't sell out because the guy's coming from the right-hand side, then you're going to see that you're still going to be able to throw it to this RB. But I'm not going to chance this. I know that this guy's going to get open over the middle, and that's the guy that I'm going to hit, and you're going to see that you're going to have some really good yards that way. So it's a 1-2 read. If they don't cover the right side of the field with their user, you're throwing it to him. If they are going to cover the right side with the user, then what you're going to do is you're going to just throw it to the X receiver. But you're going to see that you want to make sure that you throw it to this guy on its break in that little easy spot that he's there to have the easy success.